Activating registers is an integral part of the initial setup process. Thankfully, it's quite simple and can be done in under a minute. Start by going to the App Store and downloading Indica POS. Opening the app for the first time will prompt you to give permissions for notifications so you know when new orders come in, and Bluetooth so you can connect your ELO unit, barcode scanners, receipt printers, etc. Once the appropriate permissions are given, you'll land on the login screen. Enter the credentials for your IndicaOnline account and tap Login. Keep in mind that these credentials should belong either to the admin of your IndicaOnline account or to a manager with the Manage Registers permission. After your store is imported, you'll be able to choose between two options: activate this register and reassign this register. If you want this device to act as a new register, tap the Activate this register button. You'll be prompted to assign it to an office. Select the desired office and tap Select. Enter a recognizable register name and tap OK. You'll be prompted to give the app camera permissions so you can scan barcodes and IDs, take a photo of the person using this register to clock in, etc. Once the permission has been granted, you'll be left on the PIN screen and you can start working. A profile for that register will be created under Statistics, POS Registers, on IndicaOnline Web under the name that you entered during the activation. If you want to assign this device to an existing register, simply tap Reassign to Existing Register. That would be especially useful if, for example, you had to reinstall the application and would like to continue working with this device under the same register, or if the original device was replaced. You'll be presented with a list of registers connected to your account with little plaques that show whether or not the shift is open. The ones that are available for reassignment will be marked with the corresponding phrase. Tap the desired register, enter the manager's PIN or swipe your card, and tap Enter. Allow the app to access your camera, and you'll end up on the PIN screen where you can start working as usual.